Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today I'll be learning how to enable editing story upload on Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable the editing story upload on Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, as I've already opened it. And after opening your Picsart app, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. Now in order to proceed to enable editing story upload on Picsart, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner, and when this interface appears, tap on the settings button over here just above the logout button. Tap on settings, and you can see the enable editing story upload button available for us. Now in order to enable it, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the enable editing story upload. And with that being done, guys, your editing story upload on your Picsart will be enabled. And there, guys, this is how to enable editing story upload on Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.